Today we are going to learn about mastering data science with Python, essential libraries. We will explore key Python libraries crucial for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization, equipping you with the skills to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in data science tasks. Welcome to our journey in mastering data science with Python, where we'll dive into essential libraries that are indispensable tools for every data scientist. Python's simplicity and versatility have made it a staple in the world of data science. Its vast ecosystem of libraries allows for efficient data manipulation, analysis, and visualization, making Python an integral part of any data scientist's toolkit. In this video, we'll provide an overview of Python's capabilities and discuss how setting up a Python environment can streamline your data science tasks. Let's get started. NumPy is the foundational package for numerical computing in Python, providing support for arrays, matrices, and a plethora of mathematical functions. Unlike regular Python lists, NumPy arrays are more efficient and offer faster operations, which is crucial when handling large datasets. In this segment, we'll explore the creation and manipulation of NumPy arrays, compare them to Python lists, and discuss their advantages. We'll also demonstrate basic operations such as array slicing, reshaping, and mathematical computations that can be performed effortlessly with NumPy. Understanding NumPy is vital for any data science project, as it forms the backbone of many data operations.
Pandas is a powerful library that provides data structures and functions needed to work with structured data seamlessly. At the heart of Pandas is the DataFrame, a flexible and efficient structure for storing and manipulating tabular data. We'll start by exploring how to create DataFrames from various data sources, such as CSV files and SQL databases. Next, we'll delve into data cleaning and preparation techniques, crucial steps that ensure your data is ready for analysis. Finally, we'll showcase the ease of performing complex data analysis tasks with Pandas, demonstrating its ability to handle large datasets with ease.
Matplotlib is the go-to library for creating static, interactive, and animated visualizations in Python. It provides a comprehensive framework for customizing plots to suit your data narrative. In this section, we'll learn how to create basic plots, such as line graphs, bar charts, and scatter plots. We'll explore how to enhance these visualizations by customizing elements like labels, legends, and color schemes. Understanding how to effectively communicate insights through visualizations is a skill every data scientist must master. We'll also cover how to export your visualizations for use in reports and presentations. Seaborn builds on Matplotlib and offers a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. It's particularly useful for visualizing complex datasets and reviewing patterns within them. In this segment, we'll explore how Seaborn simplifies the creation of statistical plots, such as heat maps, violin plots, and pair plots. We'll demonstrate how Seaborn seamlessly integrates with Pandas, making it easy to visualize data stored in DataFrames. By the end of this section, you'll know how to leverage Seaborn's capabilities to uncover deeper insights and present them in a compelling way. Scikit-learn is a library that offers simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis, built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. It's a key component of any data scientist's toolkit when it comes to building machine learning models. We'll begin by discussing the typical workflow of a machine learning project, from data preparation to model evaluation. Next, we'll demonstrate how to build machine learning models using Scikit-learn, covering essential algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and clustering. We'll also explore techniques for evaluating model performance, ensuring that your models are both accurate and reliable. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, is a crucial step in any data science project, allowing you to understand your data's underlying structure and spot potential issues. Pandas profiling is a powerful tool that automates the data process by generating detailed reports about your dataset. In this section, we'll explore how to use Pandas profiling to gain insights into your data, identify patterns, and detect anomalies. These insights can guide your data cleaning and preparation efforts, ultimately impacting the success of your data science projects. Ada with Pandas profiling is a game changer for data scientists looking to streamline their workflow. Jupyter Notebooks are an invaluable tool for data scientists, providing an interactive environment for writing and running Python code. They support easy documentation, visualization, and sharing of your work. In this block, we'll introduce you to Jupyter Notebooks and discuss their benefits, such as the ability to combine code execution, rich text, and visualizations in a single document. We'll also demonstrate how to create, run, and share notebooks, making it easier to collaborate with others and present your findings. Jupyter Notebooks are essential for any data science workflow, enhancing productivity and collaboration.
As we conclude our exploration of essential Python libraries for data science, it's clear that mastering these tools can significantly enhance your ability to perform effective data analysis. From NumPy's numerical operations to Seaborn's advanced plotting capabilities, each library plays a crucial role in empowering data scientists to make data-driven decisions. Remember, the key to success in data science lies in continuous learning and practice. As you continue your journey, keep experimenting with these libraries to uncover new insights and solutions. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in future sessions.